Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. It's that time of the year again when the days are getting shorter and the temperatures are cooling down. In most parts of the country, there is a concern about freezing and freeze damage to a drip irrigation system during the winter. Luckily, winterizing a drip irrigation system is quick and easy with only a few simple steps. The first step is to turn off the water supply, usually the outdoor water faucet, and then remove the faucet assembly, which consists of a backflow preventer, filter, pressure regulator, and timer if you use one. Make sure to drain all of the water out of these components and store them indoors. Don't forget to remove the batteries from your timer to prevent damage or corrosion. Poly mainline tubing is not damaged by freezing, but the fittings may crack if water is left in them. To drain the lines, open all the manual valves, if you have any, and then open the end caps. If your end cap isn't at a low point, you can lift the lines to move water through to drain. Then you just replace the end caps after draining, and then cap off, plug, or use a plastic bag with a rubber band over the main line where the faucet assembly was removed. This is to keep additional water, debris, and bugs, insects from entering your system throughout the winter. The above step is always enough for me, but some systems don't have low points for drainage, and the best way to remove water is to use an air compressor and clear out the lines. Make sure the ends of the lines are open to avoid any damage. Wear gloves to safely hold the air compressor to the main line and use low pressure, 20 to 30 psi should be sufficient, and then replace end caps. Hopefully this video helps with winterizing your drip irrigation system. I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.